Hey, what's going on, guys? Death Class 69 here, and today we got a special review. The 25th anniversary Jubilees 11's. Special box. You already know. Let's get to what's inside the box. Right away, as you can see, you know they had to do the box special like this. Little spaceship of a box right here. But yeah, it's the Air Jordan 11 Retro Black Multicolor. That's all it says, multicolor. Size 9.5, because we little dick gang in the building. It comes with that little hole right here. That little plastic. The box is a little beat up, but it's not that bad. Shiny silver, nothing else on this side. You know, you gotta open it. Oh, weird. It's pretty cool though. It's a pretty cool box. I like it. Makes it more premium. Even the paper, specially made for the shoe. 1995 to 2020, 25th anniversary of this Jordan shoe right here. And this Jordan's, I guess the 11's have been out for as long as I've been alive. Shit. The shoe's younger than me by a month. Let's turn 25 in November. Anyways, let's get to the shoe. Inside the box, you got the shoe. Shit, looking crispy. They still smell brand new. Oof. Go ahead and take a whiff. Oh, man. Got the other shoe. And that's all that it comes with. No other laces, nothing else. No little... Thought it would at least come with a little Jumpman chain or something. Not a little, those little dog tag Jumpmans. But that's it inside the box. At least inside of mine. Let's get to the features of the shoe. Alright, moving on to the features of the shoe. One of the most prominent ones is the patent leather, of course. You got that shiny patent leather. You got the smooth leather back here. Got that metal Jumpman right here. Moving on to the back, you see the 23 in silver. It's like made out of rubber. You got the regular fabric right here, then leather. On the upper is mesh. It looks like, you know, canvas mesh. I'm not exactly sure. They came with the dummy thick laces. The translucent lower. You got the carbon fiber on the bottom. You got the Jumpman logo. Got another Jumpman logo up here with a little leather strip. I'm not sure what it says on there. I was trying to make it out, but I don't know. I'm not a Jordan expert. You got the, it says Jordan right here. That's a pretty cool feature. What else? Carbon fiber, already said that, translucent. Overall, it's a pretty nice shoe. My first 11. Not my favorite, but my first. It's just always been a shoe that I'm not crazy about. I don't think it's ugly or anything, but it's just I never been able to justify it. But this one I did like 25th anniversary, and it's a nice color. You know, black and white is gonna match with everything. Other than that, not too much on the features. Oh, inside the tongue, you got that. What does it say? Quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever. Shee, boy. And then on the inside, you got your 25 year anniversary and your Jumpman. It's pretty much on the features. Got the mesh tongue, just cuts off like that. Pretty cool looking shoes. But anyways, that's enough of the features. Let's get to what they look like on feet, boy. Alright, this is what they look like on feet. It's an up close shot. And honestly, I'm not even worried about what to wear these with, you know, black and white, anything. I go with anything. I'd probably worry more about how you're gonna wear them. These ain't my skinniest jeans. I feel like you don't really need skinny jeans or stacked jeans for these. They're gonna look good if you cover them up a little bit or if you don't. I don't know how I'm gonna wear the laces like this or however. But if you do this, it don't look that bad covered up. to me at least. But yeah, I'm probably gonna wear them with skinnier jeans, tighter jeans. Just so, I mean, you ain't got nothing to show off on the tongue. As you can see, you just got a Jumpman logo right there and the 23 on the back. And that's about it. Other than that, you already know, black and white. It ain't hard to figure out a fit for these. But yeah, guys, anyways, that's pretty much it. I ain't even gonna do a fit for these, a full fit. Come on, you already know, black and white, come on. You can figure it out. But let me know down in the comments if y'all think these are fire or mediocre. A lot of people are saying they're average. I think they're pretty fire. I mean, obviously not the fucking nicest ones that ever came out, but pretty nice looking for a pretty premium, pretty nice looking 25th anniversary. But let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I need some clout. I finally got these early. This is my first early release for my YouTube channel. We're getting there, guys. Like and subscribe. I'm getting clout. That's all I want. And money.